Okay, today I'm going to be teaching you how to install Litematica on the Feather client for Minecraft 1.21. So first you're going to want to click the top link in the description, which will take you to a Modrinth site. You're going to want to download this top one or the one that you're looking for. Make sure it says Fabric and then Release. Alpha, I think you can install, but it's not going to be as good as the real version. But this is the library that uses Litematica. I'm also going to be teaching you how to use or how to install the Litematica printer mod, which just is like makes building Litematica schematics quicker. So you're going to want to download this. I already have it installed, so I don't need to. You're going to want to click second link in the description, which will take you to this site. You're going to want to find the same download that you downloaded for this one, or the same version, which is going to be 1.21 for me. Click Assets and download the jar file, not the zip or the tar, the jar file. This is for Windows 11. Just throwing that out there. Now, if you don't want printer, or if you do, I'm just going to show you regardless. You're going to want to go to the third link, which will take you to Litematica printer, and just download this one for 1.20. Now, once you have all of these installed, you want to open your Feather client, go to mods, click add own mods, and just put all three of those jar files in here. As you can see, that's all of them, right? Now, to use these mods, what you want to do is you're going to want to go to your file explorer, go to your home page, type in %appdata %. Scroll down. You have to launch the game first with the mods turned on. Go to Minecraft, open that, scroll down a little bit, and then after a little bit you're going to see a schematics. Open that, and you can add or remove schematics that you want to put in or remove. So some good websites for Litematica schematics, you just type in Litematica base schematics is what I'm going to be looking for, so like bases and stuff. This is one of the best sites for it. I will link it in the description, but it just has a bunch of like things you can download, like here's a mod, here's something, here's some. Now for me, I'm going to download this one because I need a creeper farm in my world, and I haven't a design, but this one seems to be better. So you're just going to click on download details, click on download, and then download Litematica. There are some that are different. Once you have this, you're going to want to go to your downloads. You're going to want to click on that, click the little snip there, and then have your schematics open in another one, and just click Control V and paste it in there. See, there it is. Now you can close out of this and close out of this. Now, once you launch up Minecraft, you want to get a stick, and I'll show you this. It's going to take a sec, but you want to get a stick item, and then when you click Control and scroll on your scroll wheel, that gives you different options to like use Litematica. And then the Litematica printer is when you click caps lock. And it is going to be a little confusing at first, but once you get used to it, it makes a little bit more sense. I also will be showing you how to save schematics, because that part is a little bit more confusing. So I'm just going to go into my super flat world that I use for modeling and stuff and actually using the design. So here's a design that I didn't make it, but I extended it and made it longer. And then there's a schematic. Now let's just build a little like box so I can show you. Okay, now you have your little box. Now see in the bottom corner where it says area selection, you are going to want to left click a corner. I'm just going to select the big area here and then right click the other corner. Right, now once you have this little area selected, you click M, click area editor, name it here, which I'm not going to name this because I don't want this. Click save and then name it whatever you named it again. And then that does that. So now that would be saved as a schematic. Now, the printer, as you can see, every time you turn caps lock on and off, it says printer mode toggled. And every time you like walk up to a schematic and you have the materials in your inventory, if you're in survival mode, you need the materials or it won't print. And then if you're in creative mode, you can just turn printer mode on and it'll automatically just print the schematic. And it does mess up a little bit, but all you have to do is break it, and most of the time, it'll fix itself. And it can and will just like replace blocks that aren't supposed to be there. And if an entity is caught up in the blueprint when you're creating it, it will be there, but it can't interact with anything, and it's only a part of the blueprint. So if you want to move it, you're going to go to schematic placement and then move it. See? So there's no actual creeper there. But that's my tutorial on how to use, install the Litematica and Litematica printer on Feather. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like.